underneath the glove box. You can disconnect the connector right here, just push down on the tab and slide down. There's two screws, one here, one you really can't see, it's a little bit further back. And you're going to use a 5.5 millimeter socket. Take those screws out. You can pull the resistor, just slide it right out. Take the new resistor and slide it in position. Take the screws, get those started. And the other screw that you can't see too well. And tighten those down. Take the connector, line it up, lock it down.